Okay, I just wanted to come out here and take you through what I saw on this Thursday, May 28th, that led to me getting some profit on that day. So started with the daily here. So I saw that we were tapping into this daily February gap right here. So obviously I'm going to continue to be bullish. So in the lower time frame, this is my perspective again. What I'm looking for when I get to the 1 hour for my intraday analysis, I'm looking for a run on liquidity or in a shift of structure on the 1 hour with like well, some type of key level for very gap, order block, breaker, etc. All right, so this is that for very gap on a daily. You see on Wednesday we came in, tapped into that daily for very gap, taking out this liquidity here, and then we shifted upwards, right? A shift for me can be either a shift above an all high or it could be inverting a previous PDA rate, right? So we closed above this fair value gap right here, creating the IFEG, also leaving a fair value gap here from over the overnight session, right? Once we came in during for on the morning time, we tapped into this fair value gap here, displaced upwards, right? So, or for me, that was enough to say, okay, we're gonna go higher towards this previous day's high, right? So obviously, because I'm bullish. So then, what I'm looking for on the 1 hour, once we tap into that key level, right? Key level being this IFAG, this Fibonacci gap, I'm looking for a C2, C3 closure. So after, we got the C2 closure here. So if I just scroll in, we took out this previous candle's low and then closed back into the session, right? C2 closure, right? So after you get that C2 closure, you want to confirm that on the lower time frames, right? With the shift instructor. So on the 5 minute, this is that run on that previous candle's low. We close, and then we got that close above that Fibonacci gap here. Like I said, in 1 hour, this is enough for me to say, okay, we want to shift. They were shifting and possibly going higher. Let me scroll in a bit. So after that shift, that run on liquidity, we shifted here close above that. For me, that's considered the smart money reversal of the market maker bottom model. All right. Now from there, I'm ready to look for entry. So go down to the 1 minute for entry or 3 minute. We can do that. Take this off. Okay, so that's the shift from the 1 minute. So once we get to the 1 minute for entry, we're looking for a run on a short-term low, right, or for a gap. So we're looking for like a new daily range to form, right? So we closed above that 5 minute Fibonacci gap at 10 a.m. We came down, took out this short-term low here, shifted upwards. So your entry could have been right here at this breaker block, right? I think I missed that, so I didn't see. I think I was like driving or something. But this is a larger time frame shift. So I also would close above this high right here. I was still bullish. So I'm confident in that. So again, I'm just looking for a run on liquidity or a run into a Fibonacci gap. We got both actually here. So we got that run into that 1 minute Fibonacci gap combined with that run on short-term liquidity, shifted upwards, inverting this Fibonacci gap here, leaving the Fibonacci gap here. So your entry could have been, my entry actually was here. Boom. Stop spin all that low. And you could have took it up to the previous day's high here. Even potential 5 to 1. I didn't hold for that whole time, but you can see as it was going up throughout lunch and the PM session. So that's kind of essentially what I saw and why I took the trade on 5 May 28th on a Thursday.